Yesterday was just a perfect day to get outside and enjoy the last bit of summer, but tonight you might want to bring a jacket for some of your outdoor activities. There's a big change coming. Mary Kay Kleist here to break it all down. Hey, Mary Kay.
Oh, Charlie, our sun goes down at 7:12, so we do have a good-looking evening for you, but it will be cool tonight. And then the warm-up begins tomorrow. Soaring temperatures this week as we move through the middle and upper 80s, dry for the entire work week, and that could create some brush fire issues, and it looks like we are going to stay warmer than normal, the Climate Prediction Center says, for the next 2 weeks, believe it or not. So even though we had it cool this weekend, we are going to be heating up and going above average. We are holding at 72 degrees in Aurora. You know, you started in the 40s this morning. It was chilly out there. 69 right now in Kankakee with a lot of sunshine. So readings are in the low 70s here around Lincoln Park and Uptown. We have 70 degrees in Bolingbrook, and in Lisle it is 71. So here's the pattern. We have this area of low pressure over Quebec, and what that's doing is actually on the back side of that circulation, we're starting to pull some of that smoke from the Canadian wildfires. That's why the sky has that milky appearance for us today, tonight, maybe even into tomorrow morning. At the same time, we have this ridge of high pressure that's going to dominate our weather picture this week. That is just going to park overhead. The air will be sinking and drying. The wind flow will be light, and the heating will take place. So day by day, getting hotter and hotter for us. So some high clouds may be around, or that milky appearance to the sky going into tonight. 55 for the overnight low. Then for tomorrow, here we go, into the 80s. Normal high is about 78, but I expect that we will be warmer than that as we work our way through the day. So a lot of sunshine. It just may be a little bit milky in the morning in appearance because of that wildfire smoke, but high temperatures, I think with that west wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour, temperatures will be uniform across the area. So we're expecting about 82 in Highland Park, 83 in Evanston, and in the Loop, Hyde Park, about 82 degrees. So not much of a change at the lakefront. I think the only spot that may feel that possibly could be Burns Harbor, where we see 79, Indiana Dunes as well. But improvements around the lake today. We don't have that high wave action like we dealt with all day yesterday. So the pattern does call for the trend to heat up here over the next few days. And I do think that some of the outlying suburbs are going to touch that 90-degree mark as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, because highs will be in the upper 80s. Now, notice the wind direction. On Monday and Tuesday, I think the winds will be dominant enough at 10 to 15 miles per hour that we're warm all the way at the lakefront. But then when those winds really die down on Wednesday, that's when we're going to start to see a very light lake breeze. So we'll take a few degrees off Wednesday into Thursday, but boy, it's dry this week. No mention of rain probably until Sunday, and at that point it's 20%. So here we go with the heat. The hottest day looks to be Thursday. I think we will crack 90 degrees. So the 7-day forecast shows that dry trend, and we stay in the 80s for the next 7 days and even a week from now. Charlie?
Mary Kay, thanks so much.